Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I'll make this quick because with election eve, probably about 5 of you are going to watch this anyway. So look, JD.com is in a really good entry point. And by the way, members, I really go into detail in tonight's strategy session on the relationship between this and the 50-day moving average and how you can get better entries on stocks like this. But suffice it to say, this is a good entry right here. You're still in congestion, but if you look at the way the stock traded, it gapped down at the open, which is kind of different because today's market was really strong, but the stock gapped down about 3%, fell even for a brief moment below the 50-day moving average, and then closed higher on the day. I mean, not very high from yesterday, but very high from the open. And so it had a complete turnaround today, and it was on heavier than average volume. So here's your trade. The stock was up at 83.43. I would say if the stock runs up to 83, wait for it, 45, I would be buying the stock here. And then I would keep a stop just a little bit below today's intraday low, 79.84. Oh, give it 2 pennies, 79.82. That's the trade that I would make on this, okay? All right, Dan Fitzpatrick. Have a good evening.